Okay, hi friends. Today we are going to say the new program that is valid. Check the valid date and increment date if it is okay. Okay, let's consider if I give the output like 6 7 2021. That was the date. If I make it valid, so 6 to 7 7 7 2021. So this is the valid date, and after incremented, it's also valid date. If we do it 32 2021, so does it validate? No, it is not validate. So we're going to check. First we're going to enter the date, and after that we're going to increment that date. So we're going to make sure that a given date, entered date, is valid date. So let's see how we can make this program. So we go one by one. Okay, so we need to take the input as a date. Okay, and we need to split that date. Okay, so we'll just say date as an input. So you can enter the date. Okay, you have entered the date. Now I want to split the date, because I want to, if I given the date like this kind, 6 7 2021. So 6 is month, 6 is a day, 7 is a month, and 2021 is an year. So okay, so I want to split into the day, month, and year. So can you create the, this is the date, it is an integer, and it is will be dd. Okay, then month, it is also going to integer value, and it is and the year yy, it is also integer, and we say y. So before that we just going to create three variable dd yy equal to date dot split by space, or by this slash symbol. Okay, so based on this we are going to split the date. So if I give this kind of, so the output will be this kind of. So I will just change my input, or if I give the input like this 6/7/2021, so I have to change my parameters. Okay, so this is the separation parameters. So we have separated date. Okay, we have split this date. So first will be the date we have considered, second will be month, and third will be year. So this fashion we have to split our date, and we take the dates. So okay, now we will check the conditions one by one, because we have to check condition. So if month equal to 1, or month equal to 3, or month equal to 5, or equal to 7, or month equal to 8, or equal to 10, or equal to 12. So if these are the numbers, these numbers are month. Okay, let's consider the month value have this number. So like here we have input as a 7, month is 7. So if the is equal to 7, so what will be the date in that mind? So maximum will say, we can say 31 days. Okay, so 31 days, 31 days. So if you see here, go to calendar. Okay, so if you click January, so January have 31 days. Then we comes to March, it's 31 days. Then we comes to May, it has a 31 days. Then we comes to July, that is 7, it has a 31 days. So we just calculate the number. Okay, so after that we have to check same thing, else if. Okay, if number is equal to 44, number is equal to 4, or number is equal to 6, or number is equal to 9, or number is equal to 11. Okay, if this number, then maximum is equal to 30 days in this month. So you can check. So number is 4, 4 means April, so April we have 30 days. So July, June we have 30 days. Okay, 9 is almost September, is 30 days. So we just calculate the days based on month. Okay, that's the logic here. Okay, if else if now we're going to calculate the year. Y divided by 4 equal to 0, it is a leap year, and y divided by 100 is not equal to 0. Still we have to check the leap year, or y divided by 100 400, we basically calculate the leap number. If leap year, then max is equal to 29. Okay, so next thing is else max max is equal to 28. Okay, then what will be it mm is less than 1 or mm greater than 12. These are the two things. Print we are given invalid date. Date is invalid. That's the dates. Else if date is less than 1 and or date is max than max 1. So these are the max 1 we have defined based on our month. So its date is greater than max 1, that's also invalid date. Okay, else if then dt is equal to max 1 and month is not equal to 12, so September, December. Then say date is 1, is equal to month plus 1. So we can say it's incorrect date because so we are going to run programs. Invalid. Okay, 1 equal to 2. Here also is missing equal to operators. Here we also missing equal to operator. We just assign the value, not compare the value here. Okay, here also did same mistake. Good. Let's run it again. Issues equal to 0. invalid syntax. Why it is not why is so I will put the date 5/7/2021. So increment date is 5/7/2021. Okay, again we give the long date 32 February, which is not a correct date. This one, it is an invalid date. Okay, let's understand the program step by step. If I give this date 30 February 30 February 2000 30 February 2021, so is date going to split based on this logic. So first we are going to get the date 30, month is 2 February, 2 February, year is 2021. So first condition we are going to check is month is 1, or 3 or 5 or this one, so it is not 3. Then comes to second, is month is 4, 6, 9, this condition also not. Here we are going to do the sum calculation. It's year divided by 4 is equal to 0, so let's consider year divided by 0. Okay, 2021 divided by 4 is not going to 0. Okay, or let's consider year 2021 divided by 400. Okay, it's not, so it is not a, this condition also not get, it is not a leap year. So comes to, this is the max is the 28. Okay, because here we not mention the 2. Okay, month as a 2, so for month as a 2 we are special formula, that's if the leap years, if it's a leap year, then it's the February will have 29 days, otherwise it is going to have a 28 days. So this condition gets satisfied, and it say the month is this 20 the max days is for this month, max days is this month is 28. Okay, so it going to check first condition, is month is less than 1, no, is greater than 2, no, it's going to skip. If day is less than 1 and greater than max 1, yeah, here we given the 30. So what is the max date for the month 2 is 28. Okay, so it will comes here and it will throw an exception or throw the print this message. Okay, and after that we get, so what will be result, incorrect date or invalid date. So let's consider, give the invalid date 30/30 2 02, it is an invalid date, obviously. Okay, so in this way this program get work properly. Thank you for watching video. Please do comment, subscribe my channel, and give the comments for an improvement. Thank you very much.